So I was just doing a little Fallout 4 mod here. Not really recording anything, just doing this for fun. Why not? And any Star Trek fans out there who Next Generation, you ever see that episode where there's a warp core breach on the Enterprise, and it's like time shifted or something? And so like it ends up with Picard and a few people being outside of the time shift. Then they go back on the Enterprise when it's breaching, and he's all drawn a smiley face and the warp smoke thing. Well, yeah, kind of that happened a little. So yeah, where I tossed a few nuke mines and they kind of exploded. I died and came back, and they're still exploding. As you can see here, things are moving on in real time. Got my stealth armor on, some cloaked. Oh, Peter there, he's part of this mod. And, yeah. So we just got, fire and shit happening. There should be raiders out there somewhere, yep. Just chilling like a villain in the frickin' fire. I wonder if this is what hell would look like. Now let's toss a few more nuke mines and see if we can correct this by tossing out even more explosives. See, the last time I screwed up by putting out too many explosives, or maybe not enough. Anyway, the correct amount was not placed. That should be enough. Hmm? Close. How did you... That works. Okay, well that one... How did you... Stop walking up my explosives. Oh god, I thought he was gonna blow them. There we go, okay. I don't know if it's recording sound for this because the sound is coming to something else, but mostly just wanted to show off that, oh look, it's magical fire. Here, this is for you. I don't want it. Enjoy. God damn it, can you throw the mine with a little more force? There we go. And yet we still have the magical explosion stuck in time. That's fascinating. Alright, well that's gonna be it. Just want to show that off. Oop, that is,